Welcome! Today, we're going to show you how to easily view the Reels you've liked on Instagram. Reels are a popular feature on Instagram that allows users to create and discover short, engaging videos. If you want to revisit the Reels you've liked, follow these simple steps. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android device. This will take you to the Instagram home screen where you can explore posts, stories, and Reels. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will direct you to your profile page, where you can manage your account settings and view your activity. Now locate the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these lines to open the side menu, where you can access various options and features. From the side menu, select Your Activity. This will lead you to a section where you can view your recent activities on Instagram, including likes, comments, and follows. Once you're in the Your Activity section, tap on Likes. This will display a list of all the posts and content types that you have liked on Instagram. To specifically view the Reels you've liked, tap on All Content Type, and then select Reels from the options. This will filter the liked content to show you only the Reels you've interacted with. By following these simple steps, you can easily track and view the Reels you've liked on Instagram. This feature allows you to rediscover entertaining and inspiring Reels and engage with the creators you enjoy. Remember to explore your liked Reels regularly to stay updated on the latest trends and content that resonates with you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tips.